So how does marketing consulting work? Well, what we do is we sit down together and we talk about everything that you need to know about, like your goals and your objectives and your business and all those sort of things. And we talk through it all and we collaborate. It's a great interactive section because you get to vent. You get to talk about everything that's important to you, your customers and so forth. Then I workshop things live with you. So it's not like we just talk and then I disappear. We workshop things live, we discuss ideas. I give you all the answers that you need that I can think of at the time. But then going forward is what we do is then I can put some notes and ideas and strategies and basically a summary together of tactical plans that come from our discussion. And that just gives you peace of mind and it gives you something to work with rather than this complete void where you're not sure what to do. Having a marketing consultant like myself come in and work with you means that we can discuss things and give you a plan of action going forward based on your actual circumstances, objectives and goals. So marketing consulting is one of the best gifts you can give yourself and your business.